Hi guys, I'm here to front of you to discuss how computer system works. What is input and output device? Input device sends information to computer system for processing, and an output device reproduces or displays the results of the processing. Input device only allow for input of data to computer, and output device only receive the output of data from another device. For example, as shown in the top half of the image, a keyboard sends electrical signals which are received as input. Those signals are then interpreted by the computer and displayed as output on the monitor as text or images. In the lower half of the image, the computer sends or outputs data to printer, then that data is printed onto a piece of paper, which is also considered output. The central processing unit, which is CPU. The computer does its primary work in a part of the machine we cannot see, a control center that converts data into information output. This control center, called the Central Processing Unit, which is CPU, is a highly complex, extensive set of electronic circuitry that executes stored program instructions. All computers, large and small, must have a central processing unit. A central processing unit are also called as a central processor, main processor, or just processor. The CPU performs basic arithmetic, logic, controlling, and input or output operations specified by the instructions in the program. The actual mathematical operation for each instruction is performed by combination logic circuit within the CPU's processor, known as the arithmetic logic unit, or ALU or ALO. In general, a CPU executes an instruction by fetching it from memory using its ALO to perform an operation and then storing the result to memory. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. The data stored in RAM can be accessed almost in an instant regardless of where in memory it's stored. So it's very fast. Milliseconds fast. RAM has very fast path to the computer's CPU, our central processing unit, the brain of computer that does most of the work. It works by storing common data that programs are in constant use of, rather than storing the data on a much slower medium like a solid state hard drive or SSD. HDD, a hard disk drive or fixed disk is an electromechanical data storage device that stores and retrieves digital data using magnetic storage and one or more rapidly rotation platters coated with magnetic materials. The hard drive contains a spinning platter with a thin magnetic coating. A head moves over the platter, writing 0 second and 1 second as tiny areas of magnetic north or south on the platter. To read the data back, the head goes to the same spot, notices the north and south spots flying by, and so deduce the stored 0 second and 1 second. That's all. Thank you.